Now, let's learn simple 6 through 9. We move beads to and from the beam together depending on the number. We use the lower beads 1 through 4 and the upper bead, the 5. This is what we will say. Say it with me as it flashes on your screen. Plus 6 pull together at the same time. Plus 7 pull together at the same time. Plus 8 pull together at the same time. Plus 9 pull together at the same time. Okay, we've gone over the formulas on the screen. Now let's go ahead and say them again as we move our beads on the abacus. So, when we have enough beads to use simple for numbers 6 through 9, we pull the beads together as we say the number. We say this until we really get it down. Let's move the beads. Ready? Plus 6, pull together at the same time. Plus 7, pull together at the same time. Plus 8, pull together at the same time. Plus 9, pull together at the same time. Once your brain does this without thinking, you can still say it in your head and you no longer need to say it out loud. And as you speed up, you will not be able to say it fast enough, but while you're learning it, make sure you say these out loud and coordinate the movement so your brain will remember these quicker. Let's pause the DVD and practice. Let's learn to subtract simple 6 through 9. Here's what we say. As you see it on the screen, say it with me. Ready? Minus 6, push apart at the same time. Minus 7, push apart at the same time. Minus 8, push apart at the same time. Minus 9, push apart at the same time. Now let's take a look at moving the beads. Okay, here is how we actually move the beads for minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, and minus 9 simple. Everybody ready? Minus 6, push apart at the same time. Minus 7, push apart at the same time. Minus 8, push apart at the same time. Minus 9, push apart at the same time. Pause the DVD and practice the speed movement. Okay, let's practice some sample problems. Follow along as I show them on my abacus. Say the formulas for the movement of the beads. This will help you memorize movements. First problem, plus 8 minus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Ready? Plus 8, pull together at the same time. Minus 3, finger down. Plus 2, thumb up. Plus 1, thumb up. Answer? Number 2. Plus 7 minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. Ready? Plus 7, pull together at the same time. Minus 2, finger down. Plus 3, thumb up. Plus 1, thumb up. Answer? Next question. Plus 5 plus 2 minus 5 plus 2. Ready? Plus 5, finger down. Plus 2, thumb up. Minus 5, finger up. Plus 2, thumb up. Answer? Next question. Plus 7 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2. Ready? Plus 7, pull together at the same time. Plus 2, thumb up. Minus 3, finger down. Plus 2, thumb up. Answer? Next question. Plus 5 plus 4 minus 6 plus 1. Ready? Plus 5, finger down. Plus 4, thumb up. minus 6, push apart at the same time, plus 1, thumb up. Answer? Next question. Plus 4 plus 5 minus 8 plus 6. Ready? Plus 4, thumb up. Plus 5, finger down. Minus 8, push apart at the same time. Plus 6, pull together at the same time. Answer? Now, we have all of the beads we needed to complete the equations. So these are all problems using simple. It is really important to make sure you complete the entire movement. For example, when you're calculating 1 plus 6, make sure you move both the 5 and the 1 to the bead. Don't let your mind fool you and forget to add 1 and then add 6. Congratulations, you now know simple on the abacus. Practice and then you will be ready for lesson 2.